Assalamualaikum and hello. Welcome to our system. So our system called HazardWatch. So first thing first, when you open the system, you can see three different kind of hazard, and it will show three different kind of logos. So these three different kind of logos represent different types of hazard. So for the first one is the road type of hazard, the second one is the environmental type of hazard, and the last one is the building type of hazard. So for example, if I click on the road type, it will display all the information related to the hazard. So at the top it will show the date and the time when the report was submitted, and then it will show the location of the hazard. After that, it will also include the description of the hazard. For example, it tells that the large pothole on the middle lane, so it is dangerous for motorcyclists. And last but not least is the person in charge or reported by which is the Ahmad Daniel. So I close. So after that, at the top of the system, it will also have the tools button. So when I click on the button, it will show three different sections, which are the system default, light mode and dark mode. So when I click on the dark mode, it will show the dark mode of the system. So if I want to change it back, I will go to the light mode, and it will show the light mode of the system. And after that, it also have the system default. So when I click on it, it will show the display based on the current location time. So for example, if the location is in the night, so it will show the dark mode, otherwise it will show the light mode. So beside the tool button, it also have the information button. So I click on the button, it will show the about page system. So alright, I go out. So I think that's it from me. Thank you for listening. So now I would like to pass to the next presenter, which will show how to create a report.
Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how to create a report, hazard report. So first of all, if we look down here, there are two types of button. The first one is to create the report, and the second one is to find the user's location. Now, if the user click add report first without clicking the user's location, the system will give a notification saying that they have to find their location first. So if we click here, the system will find the user's location. Okay, so here's the user's location, and if we zoom in, okay, so here's where we are currently located at, which is UiTM front gate. So now we can add the report. So here's the user's name, let's say Zahirul. And for the hazard category, there are three types of category, from road, environmental, and building. And let's say for this case, we choose environmental. And the location name, UiTM front gate. Okay. And for description, let's say there's a fallen tree in front of the gate. Okay, so we click submit report. The system will show a notification saying that it is successfully recorded. So this is the created report, and if we click, it will show the details. Okay, so if we look at the admin dashboard and we click refresh here, it will says from 6 to 7 total hazard report now, and down here is the report that we just created. Now the next presenter will tell you more about the admin dashboard and how it works.
Hey, Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Ikram bin Muhammad, and right now I will present about our web server control. So for the first one, so this is the collection data of my web server, which is hazard control dashboard. So in this page have a total hazard report. There are 3 categories, which is road hazard, environmental, and building hazard. So this is the data from the active hazard report when user enter the report, and the data will send to direct to web server. So for the first one, for the example, this is Zahirul. Category environmental, description, fallen tree in this block indicate, location at the UiTM front gate, time report at the 40 July 2026 at 20:59 PM, and the device is Google SDK, your phone, and Android 16. So we can also view the hazard report in the details. As you can see right here, and also with the same building, road, we have 3 type of category: environmental, building, and road, and all we can view. And last one, I can delete it from the website. So yes, total hazard from the 7 to 9. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the presenter. Next, I will present the About HazardWatch page. At the top left corner, there is close button that allows users to return to the previous page. This page displays the HazardWatch application logo and the name of our application, HazardWatch. HazardWatch is a crowdsourcing mobile application for reporting and viewing road, environmental, and building hazards. Below the application description, we have the course information. This project was developed for ICT 602, Mobile Technology and Development. Next is the development team section, which introduces the team behind HazardWatch. The first team member is Muhammad Danish Irfan bin Muhammad Sazli, who is responsible for mobile app development. The second team member who is Muhammad Ikram bin Muhammad, who is responsible for web development. The third team member is Muhammad Adam Daniel bin Rosazli, who is responsible for map and marker integration. The fourth team member is Muhammad Zahirul Haq bin Muhammad Shahabuddin, me, who is responsible for testing and documentation. And the fifth member is Wan Azri Hakim bin Wan Ahmad Khalid, who is responsible for GitHub management. At the bottom of the page, the copyright statement reads, Copyright 2026 HazardWatch Development Team, all rights reserved. There is also an Open GitHub project button which allows users to access the official GitHub repository for the HazardWatch project. After clicking the button, the application opens our public HazardWatch project repository on GitHub. For the next section, I would like to pass the presentation to Wan. Wan will present and explain the GitHub project section.
So for the next one, it's about our GitHub of our project. So hereby, as we can see, we have a 3 folder. For the first one is HazardWatch. In this folder, we have all the source code that necessary to build our project application. And the second folder is mobile web, which is the code that need to build the website application for the HazardWatch project. And the last one is the README. README is the project description, also the details that contain in our project, which mention with the features, technology used, project structure, requirement, also step by step of the database setup, website setup, Android setup, API configuration, and also how to running our application and the details of the team members or the development team. And that's all for the README. And I will show you how to download our codes or our zip code. You can click the green button here and click the download zip, and later on you will have the full access of all our project source code. Thank you.